Hi, babe. Ulam ngayon ah. Thank you sa pag-visit sa akin. Nasa'yo pa pala yung card na yan. Yun yung araw na nakita kong pinaka-happy ka.
I'll hold the door, please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch, I've been dreaming way too much. Can we just turn this into reality? 'Cause I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you could save me from this crazy.
Alam mo, nakakatuwa yung araw na yan. Kasi, parang tayong naging mga bata ulit eh. Buti nagkakaintindihan tayo sa mga kakulitan natin, no?
You are a star, and I'm just a nobody, not just a girl. You are a somebody, and I wanna be that someone for you. You cast your spells, I watch in the movies. Can I pick you up at 7 o'clock, please? 'Cause I wanna be that someone for you. And I know that it's hard for you to see.
Alam mo, favorite shirt ko yan. Kung pwede ko lang suotin yan araw-araw, susuotin ko yan eh.
There's something about you, the way you move, the way you look at me. There's something about the way you see things, it's like a change of scenery. Everything about you, I just want more of. But don't get any closer. If this will last a little longer, there's a chance I find myself saying there's nothing I can do to keep my heart away from you. I can't help it, I can't tell you how much I try to get you off my mind. Tell me more than just that.
Wow. That's so amazing. Di man lang ako nakapag-thank you nung araw na yan.
I've been so strong for so long, I could handle everything. But now that you've gone through that door, I can't see anything.
I swallow my pain. Nothing's the same.
both know that we can't stay.
I was hoping that this would last. I guess I was wrong. Oh, I planned out a future together, but now that's all gone. Oh,
Dear Jam, I look so terrible in this photo. Pero lagi mong sinasabi na dito ka na in love sa akin. Happy birthday, babe. You're an amazing person and I'm so grateful for the perfect moments we captured together. Kung mawawala na ako dito sa mundo, ikaw pa rin ang hanapin ko sa kabilang buhay. I love you forever. Love, Mitch.
we're lost in the crowd, and our love will soon decay. Just
Ikaw ang pinakamasaya nangyari sa buhay ko.
sleep, babe.
Nawala ka man ngayon,
Both know that we
pero kahit kailan di mamamatay ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Hintayin mo ako sa langit. Sa harap ng Diyos. Diyan tayo magpapakasal.
everything we ever had now.
At diyan tayo magsasama habang buhay.